नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो आप लोग? अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे हो? गुड. कैन यू सी द पिक्चर? What you are guessing with this picture? Lot of water is there. Okay, one boy is crying, and see, one cow is just about to sink. Houses is sink. I think some big flood has come due to your heavy rain. Huh? Maybe some flood is there. That is the scene. Things are floating here, there. So, today in our lesson, we will read about this, okay? This boy's story. Your lesson name is Lesson 5. डूबते को सहारा. If someone is sinking and one stick also, one thread also, he will catch, he can save his life. Okay? डूबते को सहारा. If you are falling and suddenly someone is holding your hand, what will happen? You will save your life, na? That is the story. So this is a very good story. I will read and I will translate for you. यह कहानी मुजफ्फरपुर जिले की है. यहीं पर गंडक नदी बहती है जो हिमालय से निकल कर आती है. दिस इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ मुजफ्फरपुर. Okay, Muzaffarpur is a place that is in Bihar state, and there is a river. River name is Gandak, and this river is coming from Himalayas. Okay, so this is a story of Muzaffarpur, and Muzaffarpur is in Bihar. Bihar is a state, and river name is Gandak. What is the river name? Gandak. एक बार की बात है, बरसात का मौसम था. Once time this is, there was a rainy season. बहुत दिनों से लगातार बारिश हो रही थी. Long time it was raining. वर्षा अधिक होने के कारण नदी में बाढ़ आ गई. Due to heavy rain, flood has come. आसपास के सभी गांव पानी में डूब गए. And near the river, around the near, whatever, how many villages was there, na, all sink in that water. पानी घरों में घुस गया. सामान पानी में बह गया. पेड़ पौधे भी टूट गए. So all flood water has come inside the house. Houses also start to sink. Things are floating in the water, and trees, plants are floating, all are falling due to heavy rain and flood. एक छोटा बच्चा अपनी छोटी सी खाट पर सो रहा था. घर में पानी घुस जाने के कारण उसकी खाट पानी में तैरने लगी. A small kid, he was sleeping in his small cot, and inside the house water has come. And what happened? That boy caught, na, it start to float in the water. And what happened? It was a heavy flow of water. He has come out from his house in open area. He start to flow, and he is a small child, so he don't know his cot is floating. Just he is sleeping and he is floating. He has come out of his house. बच्चे की आंख खुल गई. उसने आसपास देखा और डर के मारे जोर जोर से चिल्लाने लगा. When the child has got up, he saw, na, outside it's chill and too bright. He saw only water is there, no one is around him. Then he is scared and he start to cry. And he told, बचाओ बचाओ मुझे बचाओ, save me save me. He start to cry. आसपास के लोगों ने बहते हुए बच्चे को देखा. उन्होंने भी शोर मचाना शुरू कर दिया. बचाओ बचाओ, अरे कोई बचाओ, बच्चा बह रहा है. Okay? When the child is shouting, other people also saw. And what they did? They also start to shout, save the child, save the child, the child is floating. But no one is coming to save the child. शोर सुनकर बच्चे की माँ भी दौड़ती हुई आई टू लिसन दैट नॉइज ना ऑल पीपल आर शाउटिंग मदर द चाइल्ड मदर हैज कम and she start to cry to see, oh my god, my child is floating. Okay, she also start to shout, please save my child, save my child. Okay, सभी लोग वहां खड़े शोर मचा रहे थे, लेकिन उसे बचाने के लिए उनमें से कोई भी पानी में नहीं कूदा. ऑल पीपल आर शाउट. तभी एक नौजवान वहां आया. बच्चे को पानी में बहता देखकर वह पानी में कूद गया. तैरते हुए वह बच्चे के पास पहुंचा. Then, when all people are shouting, one young boy has come. He saw that small child, he is floating in the water and he has jumped in the water and he done swimming and he reached close to that boy. उसे गोद में उठाया और किनारे तक ले आया. He picked up the child and he has come near the village. माँ ने दौड़कर बच्चे को नौजवान की गोद से ले लिया. Okay, mother just fast she has gone and she has picked up the child. Okay, and she started to love the child and she was crying and she told thank you to that young boy. She told thank you to that young boy. नौजवान ने गांव वालों की ओर देखते हुए कहा that young boy ना he saw to all villagers, all village people and he told इतना शोर मचाने से तो अच्छा था कि आप बच्चे को बचाने का कोई उपाय सोचते. So that young boy he told to all villagers, instead of shouting, you all are shouting bachao bachao, if you people has tried to save his life, it would be good. Okay, इतना शोर मचाने से तो अच्छा था कि आप बच्चे को बचाने का कोई उपाय सोचते. Okay, so instead of shouting, you all people should think how to save that child life. सच तो यह है कि हमें बोलना कम और काम अधिक करना चाहिए. Truth is that we should talk less and work more. Okay, we should talk less and work more. This is the moral of the story. So what we have learned with the story? If any problem comes, instead of shouting, being panic, we should think how to come out from the problem. Okay, how to shut out the problem. Save me, save me. Okay, saying nothing is going to happen. In that story, all people should think how to save the child. Okay, so this is a lesson for you children also. If any problem is coming, don't be panicked, don't shout. Think how you will come out from this problem, any problem. Okay children, so how was the story? It was a good story na, and it was a good lesson for us also. Always try to come out with your problem instead of creating a scene. Next we will go for word meaning. धन्यवाद. ध half न य वा द. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद means thanks. 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 Thanks means धन्यवाद. नदी. नदी means river. 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 River means नदी. लगातार. लगातार means continuous. लगातार means continuous. 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 शोर. शोर means noise. 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 Noise means शोर. आँख. आँख means eye. EYE, I means आँख. बारिश, बारिश means rain, 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 rain means बारिश. One more round we'll read the word meaning. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद means thanks. नंदरी, okay. नदी, river, RIVER, नदी, नदी means river. लगातार, continuous, CONTINUOUS, continuous means लगातार. शोर, शोर means noise, 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 noise means शोर. आँख, आँख means eye, EYE, eye. बारिश, बारिश means rain, 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 rain means बारिश. Next we will go for question answer. Lesson 5, question answer. डूबते को सहारा. Question number 1. अधिक वर्षा होने से क्या होता है? अधिक वर्षा means too much rain. If it will be a heavy rain for a long time, what will happen? Question is this. अधिक वर्षा होने से, due to too much rain, what will happen? क्या होता है? Answer will be, अधिक वर्षा होने से बाढ़ आ जाती है. Due to heavy rain, flood comes. Okay? Due to heavy rain, flood comes. अधिक वर्षा होने से बाढ़ आ जाती है. बाढ़ means flood. बच्चे की माँ, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. बच्चे की माँ क्यों परेशान थी? Why the child mother was in problem? Why she was too worried? Why she was crying? Answer. उसका बच्चा डूब रहा था. Her child was about to sink. Her child was about to sink. So she was crying. She was very worried. She was shouting. बच्चे को किसने बचाया? Who saved the child? Who saved the child in the story? बच्चे को एक नौजवान ने बचाया. Okay, who saved the child? There was a young boy, na, in the story. One young boy has come and he went inside and he has saved the child. So बच्चे को एक नौजवान ने बचाया. नौजवान means young boy. Question number 4. नौजवान ने गांव वालों से क्या कहा? That young boy, what he told to villagers? That village people, what he told? He told, हमें बोलना कम और काम अधिक करना चाहिए. We should talk less and do more. We should talk less and do more. So don't say about the work, just do the work. This he told, that young boy told. One more round we will read the question answer. अधिक वर्षा होने से क्या होता है? Due to heavy rain, what will happen? Answer will be, अधिक वर्षा होने से बाढ़ आ जाती है. Due to heavy rain, flood comes. Question number 2. बच्चे की माँ क्यों परेशान थी? Why the child mother was worried? परेशान means worried. Answer. उसका बच्चा डूब रहा था. Her child was about to sink. डूब रहा था means sinking. उसका बच्चा means her child. So her child was sinking. बच्चे को किसने बचाया? Question number 3. बच्चे को किसने बचाया? Answer. बच्चे को एक नौजवान ने बचाया. Who saved the child? बचाना means save. Who saved the child? एक नौजवान ने, one young boy. बच्चे को एक नौजवान ने बचाया. One young boy has saved the child. नौजवान ने गांव वालों से क्या कहा? What that young boy told to villagers? क्या कहा? What told? गांव वालों, villagers. हमें बोलना कम. बोलना means talk. कम means less. हमें means we. We should talk less. और and काम अधिक करना चाहिए. काम means work. अधिक means more. चाहिए means should. Okay? We should talk less and work more. This the young man told to villagers. Next, here some red color letters can you see? Like B, S, K, and one word is there already. Okay, one black letter, one red letter. First one example is there. Both red letter you have to join together and you have to make a new word like bachcha and sab. Ba and sa is in red letter. Both red letter you have to join and you have to write ba and sa. Second picture, we should talk less and work more. This the young man told to villagers. Next, here some red color letters can you see? Like B, S, K, and one word is there already. Okay, one black letter, one red letter. First one example is there. Both red letter you have to join together and you have to make a new word like bachcha and sab. Ba and sa is in red letter. Both red letter you have to join and you have to write ba and sa. Second picture, in red letter what letter is there? Kha and na. Both red letter you have to join and you have to make a new word. It's become khana. Khana means food. Third picture, red letter is ni and la. New word become neela. Neela means blue color. Neela means blue color, not a moon. Neela means here blue color. Next picture, number 4, ha and ma. Two red letter is there na, ha and ma. New letter become hum. Hum means we. W-E, we. Hum means we. Fifth one, ga is red letter and li. Both we will join, it's become gali. Gali. Gali means street. Gali means street. S-T-R-E-E-T. Street. In each village or city or town, street will be there. Na? To go one house to another house, street will be there. That is, in Hindi we will say gali. So, each picture, red letter, you have to join together and you have to make a new word. Okay children, so today we have learned our lesson 5, Doobte Ko Sahara, a small kid story. It was a good and we have learned some lesson also. We should talk less and work more. Then we have read word meaning, question answer and join the letter. Okay children, watch your video proper, write the homework neat and clean and regular submit your homework. Thank you children. Have a good day.